Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex on board the Oyster Powerline with a walk around deck video, which I thought would be useful just to show the layout on the deck. There's starting off with the flybridge. It's a collapsible radar arch, which is great, especially under in the unknown waterways, under the bridges. Lovely wide side decks, accessible from the cockpit. Nice step up there. Window covers on at the moment. Lovely large foredeck, plenty of space. If you visit our webpage at boatshedessex.com, you'll find more information and details there. Give us a call, send us an email. We'll be delighted to help organise a viewing for you. Thank you very much.